Hello and welcome to JULABO. My name's Alex and today I will show you how much fun it is to receive a delivery of one of our highly dynamic temperature control systems, PRESTO. Congratulations! You received one of our PRESTO systems. Depending on the size, you will receive your new PRESTO in a cardboard or in a wooden packaging. No matter what type of packaging it is, at first, check everything for shipping damages. To ensure that your product was shipped upright, you will find a so-called tip and tail indicator on the side of the box. Make sure that there isn't any blue powder in the triangle above. For safety reasons, take safety goggles and safety shoes. First, open the cardboard packaging, in case you ordered a smaller PRESTO unit. Cut the strapping, remove the top cap and the cover. Now you see the insulating material. Simply remove it as well. Our tip: the extendable handle enables easy transport and movement. If you ordered a larger PRESTO, open the wooden packaging. Simply follow the unpacking instructions on the side of the box. First, remove the screw fitting of the front and the top plate. Then remove the final screws and the frame. Remove the screws from the 4 supports and keep them safe as you will need them again. You will find wooden blocks on each side which will help to lift the PRESTO to remove the side supports. Put the wooden blocks under the PRESTO just before the wheels and lift the pallet slightly with your pallet truck. Now you can remove all side supports. Remove the pallet truck and place the top plate in front of the pallet with the beveled side away from the pallet. Take 2 screws of the supports and secure the top plate, which now is our ramp. Release the brakes and push it gently from the pallet. You made it! Together with your PRESTO, you also find the final control checklist, the specific power cable if needed, and the corresponding user manual to guarantee a smooth startup. I hope this short tutorial was helpful. If you need more details or if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you and see you soon.